Well, we know the damage from this tornado was an EF3. I don't know if it was like low end, middle, high end, but I do know that 4 people were killed yesterday from either that tornado or the Laurel Tornado, which was in High End EF2 with 125-mile-an-hour winds. And it's Christmas Eve, and I had to deal with severe weather this morning. So glad that's out of here. Anyway, I just wanted to, I don't know. Well, with the debris falling out of the sky and the multi-vortex tornado and the rain map tornado, that got my attention fast. And the structural damage and the entrapment, that was scary as F. I haven't heard entrapment since like the Bologna tornado in Louisville. That was back in April. Just want to let you guys know what that tornado rating was. It was an EF3. I don't know the exact wind speed on it yet, but I'll probably know that within the next few hours.